Hello class, in this video we will be going over how to log into your server and how to upload your files so that you can submit them in Canvas. So by now you should have registered your domain name and you should have set up your web hosting account. So most of the assignments on the modules are always going to call for you to upload your work and to submit your work. The way we're going to be doing this is by uploading it to your server. So once you're done working with your HTML file, you will save it on your computer and then you will upload it to your server. Now, really quick, I really recommend that you guys keep your files organized and that you keep a file on your computer. So for example, for your IS-40 class, I would have like a folder, either name it assignments or IS-40A, and inside the assignments, just have all your assignments from unit A, unit B, unit C, so that you always have a backup, and in case you delete something on the server, which will most likely happen, you don't lose all of your work. You could always go back and retrieve it from your computer. So to log into your cPanel, to your control panel or your server, there is a couple ways. The first one is by logging in through Bridge Web Hosting. So by now you should be pretty familiar with this website, and all you do is log in and you put in your email and password that you created, and once you log in, under your active products and services, you will have your domain name and your hosting account. So you could just click on that and it will give you some quick shortcuts where you could access most of the apps, or you could access the file manager directly. But I always like just accessing the whole cPanel interface directly. And over here on the left hand side, you can click on login to cPanel, and it would log you into your control panel, which will allow you to manage your server. Now, there's a lot of stuff on this control panel. We're not going to be working with most of it. The majority of it we work on with IS-40B. Most of the stuff you will be doing or uploading files to will be under File Manager, this icon right here. Once you log in, you could click on File Manager, and very, very important, everything you upload will always be under the public HTML folder. So you double click on that folder, it will open it up. Yours will initially be blank. It might just have this CGI bin folder in there, but here you will be able to start uploading your assignments and your files. You could keep them organized in here as well. You could break them up into folders if you want. Just keep in mind it is going to change your links. So we'll go over how to upload the files in a bit. Let me show you how else to log into cPanel. So go ahead and close this. I'm going to log out. So we went over how to log in through Bridge. The other way to log into cPanel is to log in directly through your domain name. For example, my domain name is fluenceweb.com, and all you will do is go /cPanel. Once you do that, it will take you to the cPanel login screen. Now, the password that is going to require for logging in directly through cPanel is going to be different than what you use to log into your Bridge web hosting account. Now, where do we find that password? When you first registered, you should have received quite a few emails, domain registration confirmation, welcome to Bridge web hosting, etc. One of the emails that you will have received is this new account information email. In that new account information email, you will see that you have a lot of information about your server. most importantly, under login details, it gives you your cPanel username and cPanel password. So once you have this username and password, if you go to your domain name /cPanel, you'll have the username and password login area. You put in that username and password, mine's already saved in here, and you simply log in. As you could see, it takes me to the same cPanel area. Now, uploading assignments. Like I mentioned before, almost every module is going to call for you to submit your assignments and upload your assignments. When you upload your assignments to Canvas, you do not upload the HTML file. I'm just going to want to see the link to your server. To do that, you're going to upload your HTML file to the server and then submit the link to Canvas. So to upload your assignments or your work, you simply go to File Manager. Again, everything's going to go under the public HTML folder. And yours is going to be empty. Mine has the IS40B folder in there for now. So let's say I just finished my Web A assignment, the About Me assignment with the hobbies. So simply you're just going to go to Upload, and you're going to select the file from your computer wherever you saved it. So I'm going to go to my IS40A folder. I'm going to go to my assignments folder, and mine's labeled About Me, but you could label them differently if you want. I'm going to select Open, and then you will see it will upload it to my server. I can go back to my public HTML folder, and you will see that I now have a new file in the server. Now look at what happens if I go to my domain name, fluenceweb.com. You'll notice, since I don't have an index file yet or a home page, it will show me a list of all the files on that server. Here is my About Me.html. If I click on it, it shows me my HTML file, how it would look on the website. So from here, I will copy this link, and this is what I will submit to Canvas. Now, very important, if you are using images that are saved on your computer, you will also have to upload those images, and maybe you will have to relink them, whether you're using relative links and absolute links. And if you don't know about those, we'll be talking about those, so no need to worry. But if you use local images from your from your computer, you will have to upload them as well. And you could create like an images folder. So if you want to add a new folder, I would just create like an images folder, and then I would upload the images inside these images folder, or depending however you link them. So again, on File Manager, to upload our files, we go to File Manager, Public HTML, and Upload. Once we upload our files, we simply submit the link, and we can always test the links out by going to our domain name and writing the file name, in this case about-me.html, and it's like, okay, everything's it's looking correctly. We copy, and then we will submit this to our Canvas, to the assignments.